If you want to find and use a translator for real-life conversations on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, then in that case we can go to Quick Settings or the Control Center. Now in here, if you scroll down, then at the bottom you should be able to find the Edit option. And once we go to Edit, you can look for Translate Conversation option, which might be somewhere over here in System Toggles, so we can add it to the list. And once you do so, we can tap on this check in the upper right corner, and now we should be able to have a quick access to this translator. Now over here we need to also grant the permission for AI subtitles to record audio, so that of course we can use our microphone on our phone in order to just simply communicate freely in real life. You don't have to, type anything. The microphone will be used instead for the conversation. And over here, of course, now we can choose our language and, for example, the language of the other person that we don't speak. So that you can get the translation. And of course we have microphones, so you can, for example, enable microphone for yourself, and now whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into a text and immediately translated, as you can see over here. And if you tap again on the microphone, then of course the microphone stops recording. You can even play the recording. It actually plays automatically after a couple of seconds. So of course the translated phrase should be translated so the other person understands, at least in theory, what you said. And then of course they can use their microphone over here. They can use this button, so they can say whatever they want to say in their language, and it will be translated into the other one that is selected over here. You can also use this icon in the upper left corner in order to switch the view from vertical to face, so it might be slightly easier to use this app, essentially, especially if you are standing face to face. So this might be definitely more convenient. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.